superheroes love chocolate. I'm Super Kevin, and this is Mega Bruce. Squeak! I can see and hear everything.
Help! Save me! I'm a prisoner.
Come on, Mega Bruce. The prisoner is in the kitchen. Ah, Super Kate, you're here.
Help me, please.
I can't open the door!
I can open it, Super Kate. I have incredible superpowers.
Wow!
See? It's open.
Wow! Super Kevin! What a hero!
Look, Super Kate. Chocolate.
Yay!
Yay!
Thank you for saving us, Super Kevin. At last, we are going to be eaten.
Yummy. It's great to be a superhero.
Kevin! Kate! Are you there?
Oh no! It's Super Mom!
Quick! Let's go and hide.
Who ate all the chocolate?
Huh? Chocolate?
What